Hi everyone, good day. I'm Laverne Segundo, isa pong Associate Financial Planner by the Registered Financial Planner of the Philippines, and I'm a financial educator from International Marketing Group or IEMG since 2014. Nag-start ako dito nung age 23. Okay, so for today, i-discuss natin itong Kaiser National Health Shield na HMO, exclusive po siya for government employees. So, group availment po siya basically. So, ano ba yung kaakibat ng 7K na annual premium natin na meron tayong 75K na coverage per illness. So, meron po siyang preventive care, inpatient care, outpatient, emergency care, dental care, and financial care assistance. So, ano-ano po ba yung pwede na age for this HMO? Pwede po siya starting 18 years old to 65 years old. So, pre-existing condition is covered. So, ito po siya. So, kung interested po kayo, if your agency is still looking for HMO provider for 2026, pwede nyo pong fill upan to, message us, just so we can schedule po a seminar to go over. Pwede pong Zoom, face-to-face, basta kung malapit po kayo within Metro Manila area, pwede po namin kayong i-face-to-face, or kung malayo po kayo, pwede po naman Zoom or MS Teams kung ano po yung mas convenient sa inyo. Ayan po siya. Ayan. So, ito po yung mga contact details namin ni Christine, ng wife ko. Ito po, by the way, ito po yung office natin, no, sa IMG. Located po siya sa Manila Bankers Prosperity Tower, 4th floor. Room 910 po yung room po namin. Ito yung address, 1110 Legazpi Street, Legazpi Village, Makati. Yan, 1229 Kalakhang, Maynila. Ito po yung contact details po namin. Christine Joy and Laverne Segundo. And then, pwede rin nyo kaming i-message dito sa Facebook. Yan. So, moving on, ito po yung for principal members, pwede pong 18 to 65 years old. Pangalawa, must be a government employee or employee of the said government agency. And letter C, must enroll at least 80% of the total employees of the government agency or group. Ayan. Ngayon, ito po yung mga requirements po natin, no? Send hard copies of all document to our office and e-form before billing. So, i-review po muna yan, subject for approval. And master list, naka-Excel file po dapat yan, containing po yung full name, birthday, age, job positions, and email addresses. Number 2 is proposal. 1 original copy with assigned conforme. The next one is Memorandum of Agreement or yung MOA. 3 original copies, fully signed by an authorized representative. The number 4, specific attachment requirements. Provide 3 original copies, example, board resolution or secretary certificate. Notarized po dapat po siya ha. And then, HR certificate or employee population. Okay? So, moving on, ito may video po tayo dito. I will not play na lang. You can visit our website naman, I'll post later. Then sa description natin, yan. So, open po siya to all employees of NGAs, SUCs, GOCCs, regular, casual, contractual, full-time, or part-time. Yan. So, and then, ito yung na-discuss natin kanina. Just moving on. So, ito na po yung mga breakdown ng mga benefits po natin. APE, yan. Tapos nakanote naman po siya dyan, yung APE should be strictly on a clinic base. Ayan po siya. Tapos hospital-based APE services and walk-in availment shall not be covered under this agreement. On-site APE of the company will be implemented and coordinated with Kaiser. APE shall be scheduled and completed within 2 months from the member's effective date of coverage. Yan. Tapos inpatient, benefit, yan. Ito po siya lahat, yung mga coverage po natin. So, pasadahan na lang natin, no? And then, naka-breakdown din po dito yung financial care assistance. Tapos, additional benefits, yung mga dialysis, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, laparoscopic surgery, lithotripsy, etc. Yan, nandito po yung mga breakdown po nila. Yan. Tapos, naka-table din naman po dito sa baba. Just note po, no, plan exclude major hospitals. Yan, sa 7K po siya, yung premium, annual premium natin, 75K per illness per year. Yan po. Yan, naka-breakdown po dito as stable. Yan, yung pinakita natin na naka-picture kanina. If you're interested, no, let us know. Message us para can schedule po a Zoom or MS Teams meeting or through face-to-face or if you're within Metro Manila area. Yan. Ito po siya lahat. Tapos ito po yung mga clients po natin, no? Supreme Court. Yan, nag-renew sila sa atin. Cagayan State nung last year. Yan, Davao, De Oro. Yan. Hindi naman po lahat yung mga specific links po natin. Yan. Just guidelines, kumbaga. Yan. So if you're interested, let us know or you can visit our Makati office. Nandito po yung address and then ito po yung contact namin ni Tin ng wife ko. Yan. Thank you and have a great day ahead.